Hello guys, you are all welcome back again. In this video tutorial, I will carry you on a step on how to cut and sew this beautiful designer vintage shirt, and it's going to be a step-by-step method as usual, so please make sure you don't skip any part of this video for you to achieve all that have been prepared for you on this video. And before we proceed, I would like to have a like from you on this video, and if you are new to my channel, hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. And if you want to support this channel, please hit on that membership join button to support this channel. Let us now proceed with work. Hello guys, welcome back again. This is a vintage designer shirt. Hello guys, welcome back again. This is vintage designer shirt, and I'm going to carry you through on how to cut and sew it. The first thing we need in this is the measurement. The length of this shirt is 32 inches. The shoulder is 21.5 inches. The sleeve length is 11 inches. The chest is 50 inches. The tummy is 48, and the round sleeve of this vintage shirt is 17 inches. So I will commence with the drafting right now. So what I will take first is the measurement of the length, which is 32 inches. I'll mark 32 inches. I want you to understand that this vintage shirt, it has a belt on the downside, or based on the design. There is a belt right around the bottom area, and the belt is with additional color, which is outside the main color. So this is 32 inches. I'll add 1 inches. I'll make it 33 inches. Yes, 33 inches. So, and actually what I have to do is that I will measure out the neck of this vintage shirt. The neck of the vintage shirt is the length of the vintage shirt is the neck. I make it 3 by 3. So, but I will make the width 4. I make the width 4, and the shoulder is 21.5 inches. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. So it will give us 10.75. That's 21.5 divided by 2 will give us 20. It will give us 10.75. 10.75. I will add half inches allowance, and I will mark the shoulder. This is 12, and this is also 12. I give my shoulder slope. I make it 2 inches. I will shoulder slope 2 inches, and I will give a slant curve by the side here, which is the arm area. I'm making the armhole depth. I will make it 8 inches, and here it's 50 inches. I add 1 inches on the side of it. 50 divided by 2 by 4 will give us 12.5. If I add 1 inches, it will give us 13.5, and the 13.5 has to be at the bottom point. So I'm at 13.5, and the tummy is 28. I add additional 1. It will give you 28 divided by 4 will give us 14 inches, and this is 14 from the bottom point area. I add 1 inch, making it 15 inches. Pardon me, I'm very sorry. 48 divided by 2 will give us 12 inches, not 13, not 15 or 14. It will give us 12 inches, pardon me. 48 divided by 2 by 4 will give us 12 inches. 12 inches, I'll add 1 to the 12 inches, which will make it 13 inches. And remember, it will start from the bottom point area. So I will come to the bottom area, and I will make the bottom area, we give it allowance so that it will not hold the bottom of the person. So we just finished drafting the front panel. I will now then cut the vintage shelf. I'm sorry if you are not seeing the mark of the chalk, because of the white chalk. Using white and white, it will not be all that visible. But don't worry, after cutting you see how the shape of the shirt is. Just understand how I cut it after cutting, or how I drafted it, because what I'm cutting out is based on what I just draft out. So I just cut out the front panel of this vintage shirt, and I'll be cutting at the back. Actually, I can actually make use of the plain material for the back, but on this I'll be using the main fabric, the flower, the pattern. I'll be using the pattern for the back, and now use the plain fabric for the back piece. So I'm cutting out the back panel. cutting out the neck of the back panel. So I'm done cutting the front and the back panel. I will cut the sleeve of this our shirt right now. Remember, the length of the sleeve is 11 inches. I want to cut the back piece right now. I've cut out the back piece for this vintage shirt, and the rest I will be cutting out the rest during the cutting. The belts on the shirt, I'll cut it out during the cutting, the sewing, and the collar, I will also do that during the sewing. So what I will cut next will be the inner facing of our shirts. The inner facing of the shirt, that's what I'm going to cut next. Actually, what I have to consider, because the length of this remaining fabric will not be enough for that of the inner facing. On this side, it will not also be enough. It will not be enough on this side, but I'm going to place it on this other side, which is the side of the by 60, and the foreign edge side. That's where I'm going to face it right now, and I will place it. What I will actually do is that I cut out from the top of it to the end, and then I will cut out another fabric to extend the length of it, as I'll be joining it on this on the front panel of the shirt. So I want to add the inner facing we have joining on it. So that joining is what I'm cutting out right now. So I'm done with the drafting of this shirt. We commence right now with the sewing.